There we go. Now at this point I'm going to put my, actually I'll put a little more right here on this side, and I'm going to put the wire right on the facet of the stone, and I'm hitting just directly above it. There we go. Move it around a little more. If we get the cream on the wire, just like to wipe it off. There it is. Sucking that wire right into the tip, to the existing thin tip. And now we're going to attempt to put a little more material on the top. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to finish up the rest of these tips, and when I come back we'll take a look at the finished product. You can see this one is missing completely, and the rest of these are worn down paper thin. What I'm going to do after I add the material, we'll smooth this out with the laser, and I'll show you the finished product before polish and then after polish. Okay, so we finished tipping 3 of these tips. 1, 2, and 3. This one I wanted to show everybody. The tip is not existent, so we're going to put one on, but we're going to use slightly different technique. Here we're going to first ball up the wire with the same settings. Get a little ball on there, and now I'm going to attach that ball right on top of the stone, so I have a base in which to put this tip on. Okay, yeah, we'll do that again. Make it a little bigger this time. There we go. Okay, now once we have a base, now we'll be able to build onto that tip, and when we come back I'll have all 4 tips all finished for ya. This is the ring after the tips have been replaced. This was the tip that was non-existent right here, and I'll roll that around a little bit so you can see the height of the tips. And we're ready for polish, for clean and polish. Okay, here's that same ring after a little clean up and polish.